Ice cream! Ano dapat yung sunod sa letter I? Diba, J? Okay, go back to your seat. Congratulations pa rin. Now, 3, 2, 1, go! L! So Roxy, how are you related with Marco? Pamangkin. So what's your message to Marco?
Happy Christmas, Marco, and yan lang kami here para to guide you always.
Alright! And be like your father. Be like your father.
I wish you all nothing but the best. Syempre, thank you sa parents mo. Nag-invite na ako as your grandmother. Promise na kapag nakula ka na, syempre, meron nung makita. Joke lang. Syempre, as your grandmother, yaw ng guidance ko sa inyo. Alright, may pulis ka ng hinap. Joke. Happy birthday! With God's love and blessings. May you grow up kind, strong, and always guided by His spirit. Happy birthday ulit. Para ng 1 year. Tapos, Noy, nakula o na pa rin ng blessing. Basta we pray lang na bigyan siyang healthy. Basta wala siyang mabuot, prayerful, tapos iba siyempre ni kay Lolo. Masa Kristan dami. Tapos, ayan, sana bibilang siyang good health, tapos i-enjoy niya lang, maging brave siya, confident, basta bibo na active. And then, sa Gabos po, thank you po maray sa time and effort na magtigting kaya present sa Gabos. Happy New Year po sa Gabos. And, medyo nakakasit na. Hindi ko si Papa na heads up na mag-birthday mag-init na yung apo niya. Si ako ay cookie. Ayan, Papa. Mahiyon na si ay cookie. I love you, Papa. Thank you, everyone.
Ayan, palakpakan naman. Yes! So, Marco, celebrate you and your parents, Pao and Max, to blow the candle and make your wish for your kids. There you go. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan.